Welcome back to another episode of Me and You Garage. Today we're going to be doing a product testing video. We purchased the Road Warrior Plus off Amazon. It is good for road trips, track days, and off-roading. So this is the Road Warrior Plus 8-ounce version, which is about 35 bucks on Amazon. There is also a 16-ounce version for about 45 bucks. All of the links and descriptions will be in the description box below. Let's test this out. As with most car projects, the first step is to clean and prep the car, which we have already done by washing the car, dusted it. We are going to also use this Adams Polishes Detail Spray, which is off Amazon. Link will also be in the description box below. Okay, so here we have the unboxing of the Road Warrior Plus. Temporary paint protection. Comes with a cute little paint roller and paint tray. It's the applicator kit. And how adorable. The Road Warrior Plus protects against rock chips, bugs, tar, salt, corrosion, minor nicks, scratches, abrasions, and more. It's good for road trips, track days, and off-roading. Okay, so we received a tip from a previous product user to use painter's tape to create a straight edge for easier product removal. We're going to start here and just kind of take it section by section. You can actually go over the headlights, but we're going to go around it, and we're also going to go around these sensors. Okay, so now that we've finished the first layer, we're going to pull off the paint. So we finished with the first coat. When the product is no longer white, then you're going to want to apply your second coat. It's going to turn kind of clear, like it is here. This is where we started the project. So we just finished the second layer, and we'll give our final review after our road trip. See you then. Okay, so we're back now. It's been about a month of us having the Road Warrior on the car. We took a nice long road trip, and it rained once, but it still held up pretty well. The only negative with this product is that it can come off if it gets wet, but you can see it seems like it stayed on pretty well. And it looks like it did a pretty good job of protecting the car. This is why we did a little edge here to hopefully help with the peel off process. You can see like the color difference here. So it was very helpful for us to have the straight edge here, and also to make sure you have a nice thick layer when you're applying, so that when you take it off, it comes off in one nice piece instead of pulling apart. So we just finished washing the car here after we removed the Road Warrior. It looks really nice and it was well protected by the product. We highly recommend it. It was easy to put on, easy to take off. It lasted us a really long time, almost a month or more actually, but we had to clean the car because it was getting really dirty. We really wish we knew about it sooner because we could have probably protected the paint even better. Highly recommend it for off-roading, track days, road trips. It's a really nice, cheaper alternative to having your car wrapped or clear broad. Yeah, check out all these battle scars that we could have used the Road Warrior to help protect the paint. All you off-roaders know how when the trails get narrow and you need to pass another car, or even if just it's a narrow trail, you may have to run into some bushes and trees and your car gets all whacked up like this. Road Warrior. Out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.